Ever wondered if there's a magic wand to transform the tedious task of writing a product review content for your favorite product? Well, guess what? I have created something that is pretty close. Welcome to the new era of effortless review content writing. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share with you a custom GPT I have developed called the Review Builder GPT. This tool is designed to make your life easier by generating structured, high-quality review content. Just provide it with a product web link and it will craft a review complete with an introduction, key features, pros and cons, conclusions, or even extracts notable reviews from the product page. Now, to use this amazing tool, you will need a subscription to ChatGPT Plus. Let's take a look into how this can help you generate review content quickly. But before we proceed, I would love your support. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications for more updates. You will find all the necessary links in the video description. Your support encourages me to keep innovating and share these tools with you. Let's jump into how this tool works. I'll walk you through the easy steps to use my Review Builder GPT. If you'd like to discover this in the Explore section in ChatGPT, just search for the Review Builder. First, give the GPT the URL to the product and the text. Write a review for this product. Paste the link after that text. Two examples are already provided for you. You can see the review generated in a structured way, including formatting. And it's done. Review Builder GPT supports product links from Etsy, Shopify, eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce, and similar platforms. Simple, right? User-friendly, incredibly efficient. Now let's talk about some benefits using this GPT. The biggest advantage here is the time you will save and the quality of content you can produce effortlessly. It gives you a base structure for your review content for a specific product in record time. Includes the formatting for blog and article posting. So what are the limitations of this GPT? Sometimes Bing search might not work as expected. If that happens, just try again. It's a small hiccup in an otherwise smooth process. There are some web links which does not allow Bing to read their content. In that case, it might not work as expected. The link to the product page needs to have enough information to generate the content. A product page with no content will not work out. For the best experience, find a product link that contains enough information about the product. The key to successful review building is clear and concise URLs. If there is an issue, try a different link. And remember, if Bing fails, just have a little patience and try again. I want to remind you that the Review Builder GPT is a work in progress. I am constantly training and improving it to ensure you get the best results. Your feedback is invaluable, so feel free to share your experiences and suggestions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it. Your support motivates me to keep improving and bringing new discovery to you. With my custom Review Builder GPT and ChatGPT Plus subscription, creating a product review content is easier than ever. Check out the link in the video description to start using it today. Thanks again for joining me on this, and I can't wait to see what you create. I will see you in the next video.